How to hide Reels video icon on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. The Reels icon on the Facebook application can be distracting. Here's how to hide it for a cleaner experience. First, you need to go ahead and open your Facebook application on your mobile device, log into your account, then tap on the three lines or the user icon in the top right corner of your screen. Now scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy, and then go to Settings. From the settings page, you need to again scroll down and see the section of preferences. In the preferences section, you'll see the option of tab bar, which is between accessibility and language and reason. Go ahead and tap on tab bar. Now you'll get two different options of customize the bar and manage notification dots. Tap on customize the bar. Find the video or the Reels option, which is likely set to pin, or you'll find it between the groups and gaming option. Tap on this auto or the drop down menu beside it. Then tap on hide, which is in the bottom of the screen, and you'll be done. First, close the Facebook application or remove it from the recent apps and reopen the Facebook application, and the Reels icon should now be gone. So that's how you hide the Reels icon. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.